Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn more about the brush adjustment panel. The brush adjustment panel controls three key elements of a brush: size, density, and opacity. Click anywhere on the slider to select that position or click and drag. Press Shift and click to adjust in increments of 1 unit. The density slider is disabled for brushes that do not make use of density. Additional options to increase and decrease the size, density and opacity with 1 or 10 units are given in the control menu. You can also enter fixed values in the Fine-Tune Control Settings option. If you attach a drawing tablet, a stylus checkbox will appear on the brush adjustment panel. When checked, it will tie your drawing tablet pressure to the slider so that your pen pressure controls this. It is very common to use with opacity.